Hey guys, I will let you know when you could, or let yourself know you need your back to be cracked. So you're gonna go like this, and you're gonna go like that, and then you should feel your back cracking. So if that happens, that lets you know that you're able to crack your back in that moment.